Okay, so tangent line at x equals 9. So plug in 9 for x. Plug 9 into the function to get the y value at 9. That would be the cube root of 8, which is 2. To get the slope, we need to know the derivative at that value. So if you think of cube root as an exponent of a third, you can bring the power down and then lower the power by 1. 1/3 minus 1 would be negative 2/3. And you don't have to do this, but I'm going to move it down and make it a positive 2/3 because I think that'll be easier later. And I'm trying to do this at 9. So if I plug in a 9 for x. Okay, so there were several questions about this earlier. 8 to the 2/3. When you guys raise something to a fraction, you can do it in either order. You could do 8 squared and then turn around and do cube root, or you could do 8 cube root of 8 and then square it. Whatever you think is easier. It's going to be the same thing. So to me, the cube root of 8 is a little bit easier. That would be 2. Square that, you get 4. So it looks like the derivative at 9 would be 1/12. And then now we're going to approximate that when x equals 11. So simply plug in 11 for x and solve for y. And of course you guys want to be kind of smart about the arithmetic here. Like you could distribute this 1/12 to get 11/12 minus 9/12. Actually, I guess that's not terrible, but I'd probably just subtract these first and say 2 times a 12th is a 1/6. Add the 2 over. Maybe instead of calling it 2, we call it 12/6. So I would end up with an answer of 13/6. Okay, is that enough for that?